My dear sister, si Nanji ako, at si kuya ko, at si Inday ko. Oh, sana may nawawala. Ay, sister ko. Heavenly Father, thank you so much for these blessings tonight. To all my friends, my relatives that nandito sa tabi ko, thank you. And to celebrate our New Year Eve. At salamat, Lord, sa grasya. Mayroon kami ngayon. Bless this food to nourish our health, and wishing more years good health to celebrate, and welcoming this 2026, for blessings and good health to all of us. Happy New Year, and thank you.
Happy New Year.